Okay, let us see 21 to 25. Study the following information, then answer the questions given below. Each of the 8 people, LMNO, PQRS, were born in different months, that is January, March, May, June, September, October, November, and December of the same year. S was born in one of the month before April. Only 3 people were born in between S and Q. 2 people are there in between L and N. L was born in one of the month before N. More than 2 people were there between L and Q. As many people were born before N as after O. P was born in the month having only 30 days. M was born in the month before R. Now there are total 8 persons are there and they were born in different months from January to December. So let us draw one 3-column table. First one is the month. So let us draw one 3-column table. In this, the first one is the month. Second one is the person. Month and person. So let us try to do this one in 2 possibilities. This is also person. Below the months, you write down the names of the months, that is January, March, May, June, September, October, November, and also December. January, March, May, June, September, October, November, and December. So we are having 30 days or 31 days. January is having 31 days, March 31, May 31, June 30, September 30, October 31, November 30, and December is 31 days. Now let us start the puzzle. S was born in one of the month before April. So before April means it can be either March or it can be either January. Yes. Next. S was born in one of the month before April. 3 people are there between S and Q. There are 3 people in between S and Q. Between S and Q, there are 3 people are there. Only 2 people are there in between L and N. L was born in the month before L. So between L and N, there are how many people? 2 people. L is born before N. And more than 2 people are there between L and Q. More than 2 people are there in between L and Q. So let us take L January. After that, take 2 gap N. Now more than 2 means more than, it will be 3 persons before Q. But here it is not possible. So second one is wrong. Next, more than 2 people are there between L and Q. As many people were born before N as after O. So before N there are 3 persons. After O also there should be 3 persons. P was born in the month having only 30 days, means P is in November. M is born before R. So M is May and R is December. Now let us answer the questions. If X was born in one of the month between N and O, in which month was X possibly born? So N is in June and O in September. In between we are having 2 months, that is July and August. Since you don't have the option July, August is the correct answer. Who is born in the month immediately after which P was born? Immediately after P, the person is R. In which of the month M is born? M is born in May. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? So L, it is 31 days. O, it is 30 days. And R, it is again 31 days. S, it is 31 days. And M, it is 31 days. So O is the odd one out. How many people are there in between S and O? Between S and O, there are 2 people. Between S and O, there are 2 people. Now let us see the next question, 26 to 30. Study the following information carefully, then answer the questions. There are 6 people who are clearing their promotion exam in the month of the same year, January, March, June, September, November, and December. B cleared his exam after the 8th month of the year, but before November. only one person is clearing the exam between B and C, then as many people cleared the exam before C as after Q. A cleared his exam in one of the month between B and Q. Only two people are there between A and R. So this is also one two column table. First one is the month. Next one is the person. This we are trying to do in two possibilities: month, person, and person. First, write down the months as it is given in the question. January, first one is January, next March, June, September, November, and December. Only 6 people are there. January, March, June, September, November, December. So first January is having 31 days, March 31 days, June 30, September 30, November 30, December is having 31 days. Let us start the puzzle. B cleared his exam after 8th month of the year. So 8th month in the sense it is August. So after August, but before November. It will be either September or October. Since you don't have October, it is definitely September in both the cases. Only one person is clearing the exam between B and C. This you can take in two possibilities, either before or after. As many people clear their exam before C as after Q. So C is first from the last, Q will be first from the first, and C is second from the first, Q is second from the last. Then A cleared his exam in one of the month between B and Q. So it can be either March or June. Only two people are there between A and R. Between A and R, there are only two people, means definitely it is March. After that, two people gap R. Now we are having only one person P. Now come to the second case. Only two people are there between A and R. A is clearing in between B and Q. In between B and Q, you can't place A here. So this is definitely wrong, and the first one is correct. Now let us answer the question. If X cleared his exam in one of the calendar months between B and R. So B is September and R is November. In between there is only one month called October. So X is October. In which month did R clear the exam? So R is clearing the exam in November. Then as per the given arrangement, if Q is related to P, there is one gap between Q and P, one gap between B and C, then one gap between A and B. So B is the correct answer. Next one. How many people cleared the exam before Q? So before Q, there is no one. So answer is none. Which of the following is true with respect to the given arrangement? So with respect to given arrangement, which is correct? C cleared the exam in the month having 31 days. That is definitely correct. C cleared before B. That is wrong. No one is there between B and R. That is also correct. So the statements both 1 and 3 are correct. Now let us see 31 to 33. Study the following information carefully, then answer the questions. There are 5 doctors: ortho, dentist, psychiatrist, cardio, physician attending the patients in different days from Monday to Friday. Consider the following information. Dentist attend the patients either on Wednesday or on Friday. On Tuesday, ortho doctor attends the patients. Physician is required at the earlier of the week. Cardio attends either on Thursday or on Friday. Psychiatrist does not want his patients to come before weekends, but he attends after dentist or after cardio. Cardio attends either on Tuesday or on Friday. So here there are 5 doctors and there are 5 days from Monday to Friday. So open a 3 column table. Day, doctor, and also doctor. Below the days, you write down the 5 days, that is from Monday to Friday. Now let us answer. On Tuesday, ortho is visiting on Thursday. On Thursday, it is ortho doctor. Ortho is on Thursday. So Tuesday. Ortho is on Tuesday. So Tuesday it is definitely ortho. Next. Dentist is either on Wednesday or on Friday. So dentist can come either on Wednesday or on Friday. We are having both the chances. Physician is required at the earlier of the week. So later in the sense it will be Thursday and Friday. Earlier means it will be Monday. Now cardio attends either on Thursday or on Friday. Cardio attends either on Thursday or on Friday. That is cardio. Then cardio attends either on Tuesday or on Friday. So cardio attends either on Thursday or on Friday, and cardio attends either on Tuesday or Friday. In both the cases, Friday is common. So definitely cardio is Friday. Cardio is Friday. If cardio is Friday, dentist is on either Wednesday or Friday. So dentist will be definitely on Wednesday. Physician, he is required at the earlier of the week. That means physician will be on Monday. Then there is one specialization called psychiatrist. Psychiatrist attends on Thursday. So Monday physician, Tuesday ortho, Wednesday dentist, Thursday psychiatrist, and Friday is cardio. Then first one, who is attending the patients on Thursday? On Thursday it is psychiatrist. Who is just after physician? That is ortho. Who attends before weekend? Before weekend means before Saturday, that is Friday. Cardiology is the correct answer. Next question 34 to 38. Study the following information, then answer the questions. 8 persons are graduated in the different months, that is from February to December. A graduated in the month having only 30 days in the month before July. Only 3 people are there between K and M. H graduated immediately before M. 2 people are there between H and N. As many people graduated after N as before L. J graduated before I. Now again the same thing. First one is the month. Next one is the person. And one more column person. So let us try to do this one in two possibilities. Below the months, write down February, April, May, June, July, September, November, and also December. So February, April, May, June, July, September, November, and finally December. These are the given months. And let us write down the number of days. February is having 28 days. April 30 days, May 31, June 30, July 31, September 30, November 30, December is 31. Now let us start the puzzle. K graduated in the month having only 30 days but before July. Before July 30 days means it can be either April or June. Before July there are only 2 months which is having 30 days. One is April, one is June. Only 3 people are there between K and M. Between K and M there are 3 people. So after K only we can write. H is graduated immediately before M. Only 2 people are there in between H and N. Between H and N there are 2 people. Now this is not possible in the second case. Next, as many people graduated before N as after L. J graduated immediately after I. Now we are left with only one person, that is G. So the correct order is L, K, I, J, H, M, G, N. Now first question, how many people are there in between G and J? There are 2 people. In which month did I graduated? That is May. Who is immediately before L? No one. So no one is the correct answer. Which of the following is true with reference to the arrangement? M is graduated in December is not correct. N graduated immediately after G, definitely correct. Next, if M is related to June, so M related to June, I related to February, one gap before, then to which of the following is N related to in the same pattern? So N is related to 1 month before, that is September. So fourth one is the correct answer. With this we completed the month week puzzles.